So you own your business and it's thriving. It's doing great. You're taking care of your family. You're setting up wealth so that your kids don't have to work as hard as you did. You're setting up wealth to pass down generational wealth from your kids to your grandkids and great grandkids and so on and so forth. All of that can be taken away in your death without a will, without a trust. But today we're just going to focus on the will. If you want to learn about trust protecting your business, watch a video. It's on my channel called Should I Put My LLC in a Trust? So in this video, we're going to talk about having a will so that you can avoid probate, avoid and reduce taxes on your loved ones when you pass, and to avoid having your business assets used to pay for your personal assets. I am going to show you how to get a will today for less than $100, for less than $50. I am going to show you how to create your will, download it, save it, and file it with the clerk's office. I always encourage filing your wills with the clerk's office because if you pass, who knows if you even have a will? That avoid your family members, your kids searching all over your home trying to find a will. If you tell them, yes, ma'am, I have a will and it's filed in the clerk's office, that means no one can amend it but you. And each time you amend it, you need to refile it again. It's free to file. In every city and town in America, you can take your will to the clerk's office and file it. So let's head over to insta.pros.com and I'll show you how to create, download, and pay for your will today for less than $50. So we're going to head over to insta.pros.com. This is the landing page for Insta.Pros. Once you're on this page, you're going to scroll down. You'll see where you can incorporate your business or start a business if you need an INC, LLC, or nonprofit. You can do that as well on this page. But for this video, we are going to click on Create Your Document in the top left-hand corner. Once you get to this page where it says Document Listing, State of Formation. So we're going to click on a last will and testament. And then we'll choose the state that we reside in. So I'll choose Texas. And then you're going to click Create Your Document. On this page, you will start entering your information. Here you will simply type your name. I'm going to type my name so I can show you guys that as you type, your actual will be populating on the right hand side. So for example, it says will creator's name. So I will just type my name here. And you see how everywhere on the right hand side that requires my name is being automatically populated. That's the beauty of this, and this is why I love it so much. It's so easy, it's ridiculous. So after that, we're going to click on next. Okay, so the next question says, what date will we like this document to take effect? Would you like to specify a date, a later date, or today? Whatever you decide. So we'll just say yes. We're going to specify a date, and then we could say the effective date. We'll just say January 1st, for example. Okay, and then wherever it requires a date, you see here on this date how it automatically populated. Very, very easy to use. Then county of resident. Now watch when I type in the county. See how it automatically populated? And then we'll put the state. So everywhere in this entire document where it requires state and county, it is going to automatically populate. Okay, and this is asking for your current marital status. Okay, so we're just gonna say married. And then you would enter the name of your spouse, and then this is enough to just show you guys what I'm talking about, how easy it is to create it. I mean, it's going to go through everything you can name of, down to who owns your pet in your death. Okay, do you have pets? I have a pet. And then from that point on, you'll be able to say who you would like to care for your pet in your death. So, yeah, you just keep going. You designate a beneficiary, and then when you're all said and done, when you finish the entire document, you'll be able to pay and download. It's simple as that. You can have your will done in a matter of minutes. And if the questions doesn't pertain to you, just simply leave it blank. Don't worry about it. Don't stress over it. Everything is not going to pertain to you. I like this part right here, because you can even, your funeral arrangements, how you want things to go at your funeral, you could totally put that in your will. I mean, you can have total control over what happens in your death by using this very detailed will. This is just not your ordinary will. This will covers any and everything you can think of. Okay? Like I said, I love how it includes the pets, how you would want your funeral to go, your bank account information for your beneficiaries. You would make it so easy for your loved ones. So that's why I keep stressing to everyone, it is so important to have a will. Okay, so after you do that, you're going to scroll to the end, you're going to make your payment and check out. You can download your will, you can save it in your account, you can sign in here anytime after you create an account and download your will. You pay, download, it's there forever. And again, once you create this document, be sure to go to your county clerks and file this document for free. That brings us to the end of this document. So if I had went through all this, a pay button will pop up and I will be able to pay, submit, and then all good. I will be done at that point. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.